Hello everyone, welcome to Anu Classes. Today I am going to talk about human resource management. Human resource management is an art of managing people at work in such a way that they give their best to the organization for achieving its set goal. Human resource management is that aspect of a management which deals with planning, organizing, directing, staffing, and controlling. It means human resource management is the department that manage people so that they give their best to the organization in order to achieve organizational goal. Nature, human resource management is a compulsory part of every organization, and these have the following nature. The first one is pervasive function. Human resource management is practiced at all levels of management and applies to all kinds of organization. It means it cannot be avoided by any level of management. Everyone has to follow it. The second one is result oriented. Result oriented, it aims at achieving organizational goal through the optimum utilization of human resources. It means human resource management aims at achieving organizational goals through the best utilization of human resources. The third one is continuous process. It must be performed continuously if the organizational objectives are to be achieved smoothly. It means activity like training, motivating, compensation to employees never ends. So these activities continuously performed to achieve organizational goals smoothly. The fourth one is people centered. Human resource management works with the people and for the people. It is concerned with all the employees working in the organization. For example, blue and white collar workers. Blue workers include farmer, labor, construction workers, and mining people. White collar workers are suit and tie workers who work at a desk. All the workers should be motivated and compensated in the organization. This is the reason HRM is a people centered. Functions of human resource management. This is divided into two parts, and the first function is managerial and the second one is operative function. So the first one, the manager function, which includes planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. So the planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do. If you want to do something and if you imagine to do something in the near future, we first used to plan in advance what to do and how it will work, how we can do it. It fills the gap between where we are and where we want to go. The second one is organizing. The organizing is a systematic arrangement of activity. In organizing, we divide or organize work into employees, that is, who will perform which work to be performed. This is the assignment of responsibility, authority of employees. Directing, the manager has to instruct, guide the team to work accordingly to meet the organizational objective. Motivation and leadership through organizational coordination wherever employees need. Manager has to direct, guide employees as a leader or motivator so that organization will be able to meet their organizational objective. Controlling refers to it compares with the actual to a standard action. Whenever we do something, it is necessary to check time to time so that if there is any error, we can rectify it. Operative function includes procurement, development, compensation, and integration and maintenance. The first one is procurement. It is to employing people who fits the position and have a necessary skill set, mindset, and attitude. The second one is the development. To develop required skill, talent within the employee, the manager has have to use various training technique. It means manager have to use various training technique so that employees will be able to develop required skills that is necessary to do for a particular job. The compensation, is a it is a cash that is given to employees in exchange for the work they do for the company. Integration means it to introduce the new employees or make them familiar to the organization and to their tasks and with their colleagues. Last one is maintenance. The most important of all the retention of employees which requires providing them with various benefits and facilities like provident fund, life insurance, gratuity and pension. Maintenance it is the most important function. It makes the retention of employees by providing the various benefits and facilities like PF, life insurance, gratuity, and pension. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.